Hi, in this question, I'm going to solve practice question for solving problem using trigonometry. Okay, number 9, we need to calculate the angle elevation the sun to one decimal place if a vertical wall is, okay, so let's make it, this is the wall. Of 1 meter. Okay, here let's say this is the sun and make it the shadow of 0.83. Okay, here this is. So we need to find this angle. Okay, we got the opposite and we got the adjacent. So we can use tan x equal to opposite 1. Here opposite is 1 divided with adjacent 0.83. So the tan, we can make it inverse of 1 divided by 0.83 equal to x. So you please use a calculator, then you will get your answer is gonna be 50.3 degree. Next, a length of wire joins the top of 1.6. Okay, here number 10. Here is 1.6. And then the height vertical, another vertical fall is 2.3. Okay, so it's gonna be more. Here is 2.3 meter. The angle between the wire and the tallest pole is 58. Okay, so let's count it here. The angle is gonna be 58. So this angle is gonna be 58.4 degree. So as the total is 2.3, so let us find this length only by make it 2.3, we minus it by 1.6. So we got 2.3 minus by 1.6, so this is gonna be 0.7. So we need to find it, the horizontal distance. Okay, so we got adjacent and opposite. So we can use as tan 58.4 degree equal to opposite is 0.7. We divided with the horizontal, or the distance. So the distance is 0.7. We divide by tan 58.4 degree. So the distance is gonna be 1.14 meter. Okay, take a look of 11. The diagram shows two ladders placed in alley, both reaching up the windows. Okay, placed on opposite side. One is twice as long as the other, and they reach the height. Okay, twice. While the shorter one reach a height the length of the longer. Okay, the longer ladder is 7.5. If the angles of incline of the ladder are shown, what are the different height between? Okay. So we got 7.5. So the window ledge opposite one is twice. Okay, we got as twice. So here's gonna be the right angle. If this is right angle, so this angle must be 90 degree. We minus it by 27. So it's gonna be 63 degree. And we got the opposite and the hypotenuse. So let us find the length of the highest ladder. So opposite, we got sin 60 degree equal to 7.5. we divided by, wait, the length of the longer ladder is 7.5. One is twice as other and reach the height, while the shorter one reach. Okay, so this is the height. So the height's gonna be 7.5. Opposite, we divide by sin 60 degree. So we have to use the calculator. So 7.5 we divide by sin 60 degree. Okay, so this is gonna be 8.66. Next, okay, if this is 7.5, it's gonna be 90 degree. Here, if this is 60, so 90 minus 60 is gonna be 29 degree, a half. So 7.5 we make it a half. So this is 3.75. Okay, we got the angle adjacent, so we will use cos. 29 degree equal to adjacent is 3.75. Wait, this look like 290, so it's 29 degree. We divide with the height, so the height is gonna be 3.75. We divide by cos 29 degrees, so the height is gonna be, use a calculator. So 3.37 we divided, 3.75 we divided with the cos 29 degree, so it's gonna be 4.28. So we need to find the difference height between the windows here. So we got two heights, so the difference is gonna be 8.66. We minus with 4.28. 4.28. So the difference gonna be 4.38 meters. Okay, there it is. Thank you.